Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Threads. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in threads.net and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Threads website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and you will now see the login portal. If you don't already have an account, you can tap on continue with Instagram and you may use your Instagram account in order to sign up to Threads right away. If you don't already have an Instagram account, you will need to create a new Instagram. Just type in instagram.com in the address bar and press enter. And now you will see the sign up button. Click on this and then use your credentials to sign up and create a new account. Just type in your phone number or your email address followed by your preferred password for your account and then enter your full name as well as your desired username for your Instagram account. You can then tap on the sign up button and enter your date of birth. Then tap on next. And now you will be asked to enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check the inbox of the email address that you just entered and you will find your confirmation code. Just type in this code within the given box and then tap on the next button. Once you have signed up and created your account, you can use your Instagram account credentials by just typing your username, your phone number or your email address and your account password in order to log in, or just use the continue with Instagram account and then continue by just using your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Threads. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.